Welcome back to HopeTube. Today, we are stepping away from the fast-paced modern world to reconnect with something timeless, the organic wood sculpture. Whether it's the raw curves of driftwood or a masterfully carved abstract centerpiece, wood has a soul that no metal or plastic can replicate. In this video, we'll explore why these pieces are the ultimate statement for your home and office, and where in the world the masters of this craft reside. The philosophy of organic design. The connection to nature, wood sculptures bring biophilic design into your space, which studies have shown reduces stress and increases creativity. Unique imperfections. Unlike factory-made decor, every piece of carved wood features unique grain patterns, knots, and textures. No two sculptures are ever exactly alike. The slow-living trend. These sculptures represent the slow-living movement, focusing on quality, artistry, and sustainability. Styling your space, home and office. The focal point. Place a large, floor-standing sculpture in a corner with a dedicated spotlight to create a museum-like feel. The executive touch. In an office, a smooth, polished wooden sculpture on a desk or a bookshelf serves as a sophisticated conversation starter and a symbol of grounded authority. Contrast is key. The best way to style these pieces is to place them against clean, white walls or minimalist furniture. The organic, complex shape of the wood acts as a perfect contrast to the sharp, straight lines of modern interiors. Global traditions, where wood art lives. Bali, Indonesia, perhaps the world capital of organic wood carving. Balinese artisans are world-renowned for using sustainable sur wood to create fluid, flowing shapes that mimic the human form and nature. Scandinavia, known for a minimalist approach. Scandinavian wood art focuses on functional sculpture. Pieces that look like art but serve as organic, smooth accents in a room. Japan, the art of wabi-sabi. Japanese wood sculptors focus on finding beauty in the imperfect and the aged, often using techniques like sho-sugi ban, charring wood, to create deep, textural artistic finishes. The Americas, from the Pacific Northwest, where indigenous traditions meet modern abstract art, using reclaimed driftwood to capture the spirit of the coastline. Practical tips for buyers. Conditioning. How to oil your wood sculpture once or twice a year to keep the wood from cracking and to bring out the depth of the grain. Avoid humidity extremes. Wood is a living material. Avoid placing these pieces directly next to radiators or in extremely damp areas. Supporting artisans. Always look for sustainably sourced wood. Buying from local workshops ensures your piece isn't just decor, but a story of craftsmanship. Art is an investment in your well-being. By bringing an organic wood sculpture into your home or office, you aren't just buying an object, you're bringing a piece of the forest's history into your life. Which style resonates with you more, the polished, flowing look or the raw, rugged textures? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to HopeTube for more design inspiration. Stay creative.